Through triumphant oppression and spiritual aggression, like a smoldering volcano of resistance, she came to her people's assistance. It's a relay race to pass the baton, the pipe race goes on and on and on and on. It's a relay race to pass the baton, the pipe race goes on and on and on and on and on. Harriet Tubman,
Araminta,
Harriet Tubman.
Confusion reigning. Now you
acting like you're still in bondage. Brand new day of freedom dawning.
Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Desire to free. It's inside each and every one that I'm talking about you. It's inside each and every one. Desire to free.
It's inside each and every one.
About you and
inside each and every one. Wake up! Last night I dreamed I was in slavery. About 1850 was the time. Sorrow was the only sign. Nothing around to ease my mind. Out of the night I met a leading a pilgrim band. They grew for this young woman. They grew for this young woman, singing, come on up, I've got a lifeline. Come on up to this train of mine. Come on up, I've got a lifeline. Come on up to this train of mine. She said her name was Harriet Tubman, and she drove on the Underground Railroad. Who are these children dressed in red? It must be the ones that Moses led. Who are these children dressed in red? It must be the ones that Moses led.
Today is Harriet Tubman's Day on UGRR-TV, your underground TV station. We bring you programs that matter to you. Now listen up, my people, while this tale is presented. A woman of bravery unprecedented. She is written in humanity's big hall of fame. Who do we mean?
Harriet Tubman.
Yeah, this is her name. Born 1820, died 1913.
Sister Harriet, she was a warrior queen.
Her philosophy,
before you ever made me a slave, I'll be 6 foot deep down in my grave.
she said,
You think you know me, you think you can control me, you will sell out my number, you will never own me. There were one or two things I had the right to, liberty or death. If I could not have one, I would have the other, because no man was going to take me back alive.
See that day in her scalp? Well, she got that happy-nice slave named Tip to escape, and that was long before she became known as the Moses of her people. Mr. Thompson has taken over the Broadcast plantation. Harriet is working alongside other slaves singing. She is much admired for her physical attributes. No man worked harder, work harder. You don't have a choice, you don't have a voice, where everybody must work harder. You don't have a choice, you don't have a voice. You gotta jump down, turn around, pick a bit of that. Jump down, turn around, pick a bit of day. Jump down, turn around, pick a bit of that. Jump down, turn around, pick a bit of day. Oh Lordy, pick a bit of that. Oh Lordy, pick a bit of day. Oh Lordy, pick a bit of that. Oh Lordy, pick a bit of day. What's the matter with her? She was okay a minute ago. No matter. She has a sister who is younger, more ruly, and ready to feed the children. Perhaps some refreshments before we go and see her. Harriet calls on her sister to say goodbye, to tell her that she's due to be sold to the visiting slaver from the south. Her sister Angelica won't believe that this is so, especially since she's eager to marry that slave boy next door named Samuel.
I'm so happy, Araminta, so happy. Harry's that my dear sister, we're living in bondage for the slavers, treated like animals, life is hard labor. How can you be so happy? I'm not. I got mama, got papa, got you, got my brother. I tell you about Samuel. He wants to take me. Maybe a jungle bird. Let's fly deeper and deeper and deeper. It's getting sweeter. Take it over, my emotion. Let's bring it to motion. Bring it over. That's right. I know it's love this time. I know that he'll be kind. Tell me what is Araminta, listen. I know it's love this time. This time is love. I know that he'll be kind. What is tomorrow bring? Tell me what is this thing? Sister, don't you rush. Don't you worry, this is not a crush. Nothing venture, nothing gain. Love is sweet, it's really pain. I hear him calling my name. Sweet, pure, and free. In the ocean and the sea. Still taking over me. Araminta, I'm here to say goodbye, you see. They're gonna sell me in the breeze. Instead of being in the ocean, I'll just stand and listen. There's billions in motion, so ride and listen. I'm gonna have to touch you down. I know it's love this time. Get your feet back on the ground. You'll be good. Very soon you won't be around. What will tomorrow bring? We're gonna sell you. Tell me what is this thing? I love him. I know it's love this time. Get your feet back on the ground. I know that he'll be kind. Very soon you'll be around. What will tomorrow bring? We're gonna sell you. Tell me what is this? Now you're sounding just like Sam. Telling jokes that just ain't funny. He's got kisses sweet as we're gonna sell you.